Dolpo is a high-altitude, culturally Tibetan region in the upper part of Dolpo district of Nepal. This region covers 15% of total area of Nepal and has been arbitrarily divided into a lower and upper region. Dolpo is a popular destination for trekking tourism among trekkers as of the beaten trekking region of Nepal as well as the settlement of Bons. Trek to Dolpo is one of the interesting trek you will ever do in Nepal. Trekkers will trek to a variety of landscape of Dolpo as well as enjoy the rock beauty in trekking this part of Nepal, enjoying unique culture along the way to the trek will be tough yet beautiful. Many visitors from all over the world used to visit this region every year and satisfy themselves exploring the virgin natural excitements, unexpected culture and traditions. This cultural region has preserved its Tibetan culture in relatively pure form, making it attractive to the visitors. Their language and customs are unique to the region. Their religion still contains ancient monastic practices of Bon mysticism amalgamated with Buddhism, a religion whose origins predate Buddhism but whose modern form is officially accepted as a fifth school of Tibetan Buddhism. Agriculture is possible at heights of 3,800 to 4,180 meters but often requires irrigation. Majority of people in Dolpo relying on agriculture grows potatoes, buckwheat, Tibetan barley and their native crops like chino and kangumo. They are also involved in animal husbandry like sheep, goats and yaks which are major animals they own. In spite of remoteness, Dolpo district is a hidden paradise with untouched culture and traditions in the midst divine nature and great place to explore to the visitors.